Hello, welcome back to Excel Island. Abatan Sheriffdeen here. In this video, I'd love to show you how to calculate moving average in Excel. What is a moving average? A simple moving average is a calculation that takes the arithmetic mean of a given set of numbers or prices over a specific number of days. In simple terms, we are actually looking for a mean or the mean of a given set of numbers over a specified number of days. So this is the definition of a simple moving average. It's also good to understand that there are other types of moving average. We have weighted moving average and exponential moving average. So without further ado, let's jump into Microsoft Excel and let me show you how to calculate a simple moving average. But before we get started, if this is your first time in my channel and you love to be a Microsoft Excel Pro with straight to the point tutorials, please do consider subscribing to my channel and turn on the notification bell to be the first to know when I drop new content. So let's jump into Microsoft Excel and calculate some moving average. Hello, so welcome back from a short break. Here I am in Microsoft Excel. I have a very simple data set here. We have our company selling products over a specific time period in different regions of the country. So we have the total sales there. I want to calculate the moving average over here. So to do that, I'll be showing you two methods to do that. We'll be using a tool or a feature in Excel. I'll be actually using an Excel formula. So to start with, let me show you how to use the tool. So when you come to the data tab under the analysis section, you see data analysis tools. So if you don't have this activated in your Excel, all you have to do is go to the file tab, come to options. Under Excel options, you come to add-ins. Here you have it active application add-ins. If you don't have it active, it will be under inactive. What you have to do is select the tool you want, click on go, and you can click any of these checkboxes to activate it. I'll just cancel that out since I have it already. So let's get to it. Click on data analysis, and the data analysis dialog box pops up. So let's look for moving average. We have tons of them here, but we want moving average. Click OK. So the input range is the set of numbers or prices you want to find the moving average. So it has automatically select that for me. Then we have the interval. By default, Excel calculates 3 days or 3 period intervals. So that's by default. You can also change that to 2 if you want. You could just play with any intervals you like. So the output range, I want it beside here. So cool. So you can also click on this chart if you want a visualization of the moving average, but I don't want it. So I'll just click on OK. Boom. So you notice the first 2 cells are bringing errors. So it's actually calculating 3 days. How do we know? Let me show you something. When you come to this third cell and you click F2 on your keyboard, you see it's taking the 3 days period and dividing it by 3. So how do I know that? Let's confirm that with a formula. So just come here and type equals sum. So let's sum these 3 days and you divide it by 3. Boom. You will notice I have same thing here, exact same results. Let me just reduce the decimal places. Boom. So you can say I have same exact results. So this is how the moving average formula is working in the data analysis tool pack. So I can just copy the formula down. Let's check it out. See, absolutely working fine. So that's how to calculate the moving average. Super fast, super easy. This is how to calculate simple moving average in Excel. So let's come to this rank tab. I have a trick for you. I want to show you in the data analysis tool pack again. So we have the sellers purchase. So we want to we have our resellers for our company, and we have the amounts they've purchased so far. Let's say we want to know the highest, want to rank them from the highest purchaser to the lowest. Well, I could actually do that with the Excel custom sort. When you come to the Home tab, under editing, when you come to sorts, you can actually use custom sort to achieve that. You could sort by purchase. Let's sort by largest to smallest. When you click OK, boom. So you see we have largest to smallest. But you also do that with the data analysis toolbar, and it's going to rank them, giving you other information you couldn't get like that. Let me just Ctrl Z to do that. So when you come to the data tab, also under data analysis toolbar, you will notice here there is something called rank and percentile. When you click OK, it is asking for the input range. So I have this selected already, my input range. I want to make use of this input range. So it will group them by columns. By the columns we have labels. So this first row has labels, and the output range is just beside it here. I want it to be here. Boom. When I have that selected, I click OK. You can see that it auto populates rank and in percentage. It's giving them percentage. So if you notice this point here is exactly the point of my resellers. So let me show you how we know that. So let's come to the Home tab. Let's filter and sort. Let's sort by points. So let's sort by, yep. Let's click OK. You can see we have by points. This is our first. You notice the purchase there is exact purchase there, so the rank is 4th. So I could just easily get rid of these two columns, just delete them out. So you can see that what we have is how Bearsons as the 4th purchaser in the company, having the 88% rank. So that's just how to do that with the data analysis toolbar. So we just generated two new columns of information easily with the data analysis toolbar. So there you have it, how to calculate moving average and how to use some features in the data analysis toolbar. If you found this video helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up, share, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Goodbye, see you in my next video.